More than 25 million in and around Manila have entered another lockdown. It's expected to last a week, but officials have already warned that it could be extended if infection numbers don't fall. More than 10,000 new cases have been reported in the Philippines. That is a new daily high. And all of this ahead of the Easter holiday this week. Buena Barnal tells us more.
Stricter movement restrictions started Monday on the Philippines' capital region, Metro Manila, and 4 other surrounding provinces that will last until April 4. The Philippines reverted back these areas to what is called an enhanced community quarantine, or the strictest level out of at least 4 levels of community quarantine in the country. This means movement in these areas are limited to accessing only essential goods unless they are medical or economic frontliners. Even then, only those aged 18 to 65 are allowed to go out. Non-essential travel to and from that bubble is also banned. This comes after the Philippines' daily COVID-19 cases hit record high multiple times the past week. There's criticism, the familiar refrain that the country is back to square one in its containment efforts. The government has denied this. The government has highlighted that the country has increased its testing capacity. It points to more quarantine facilities and a command center in charge of health facility referral in Metro Manila. The government has highlighted that the country is now conducting some 50,000 tests per day and verifying for any new COVID-19 variants some 750 samples per week. But critics have highlighted the lack of a unified contact tracing system the past year, a unified digital system that integrates both what the national government has and the local government in charge of cities and municipalities was introduced only this week. So for the past year, these localities have been wildly using their own digital systems. Now, this new integrated digital system, however, will be on top of the work that over 250,000 contact tracers are doing when they're manually sending phone messages to close contacts of confirmed COVID-19 patients. Now, this uptick in COVID-19 cases is a challenge for the administration of Philippines President Rodrigo Duterte, whose economic managers have earlier urged a reopening of the economy. The Philippines is looking to bounce back from a recession in 2020 when the country experienced one of the worst slumps in the region. Buena Bernal, CNA, Manila.